What's the meaning of assiduously? Assiduously. Assiduously.
Assiduously. Assiduously. Assiduously means doing something with great care, diligence, and persistence. When someone works assiduously, they put in a lot of effort and attention to detail in order to achieve their goals. This level of dedication often leads to successful outcomes, as the person is willing to go above and beyond to make sure that their work meets the highest standards. Assiduity is a quality that sets apart those who are committed to excellence and are willing to put in the necessary time and effort needed to succeed.